Alright, this is my old Mauser chambered in .308 Winchester, and you can see that a problem I'm having is that the sling swivel screw has stripped. So this actually popped out while I was wearing it and fell on the ground, which is not a cool thing to have happen, and I'm going to fix it. So I've never done any gunsmithing before, but this is a pretty simple fix. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm using a hardwood dowel that's a 1/4 inch thickness, and this is my 1/4 inch drill bit. The drill bit is larger than the hole, and so I'm going to auger this hole out and put that dowel in. So the first thing I'm going to do is check the depth on this hole and check that against the length of my dowel. So I can see that the dowel is actually too short to fill this hole all the way. So I'm going to cut this dowel off halfway and then put 1/2 of the one dowel and then a full dowel in on top of it. And what I'll be left with after is a dowel that sticks out part way from the stock, but I'll chisel that off flat after it's dried. So before I drill it, so that I don't drill deeper than the hole that's already there, I'm going to mark my drill bit. You could use a piece of tape. I thought that it might be clever to just use an elastic band, which may or may not actually be clever. Move this up a little bit here. So I want to go to approximately that depth. Tap those in with my craftsman's hammer. And then I'll wipe up all the excess glue with a damp cloth. And we'll leave that to dry. It's been more than 25 minutes, which is how long they say to clamp the glue for. Of course I didn't clamp this, I just tapped it in. So I'm putting a couple of guards on here. And then this is hard to saw because it's got a spiral pattern. I want to mark this stalk. It's, well, I don't know how old it is, but old enough and still in good shape. And now the part that I'm really nervous about, what I'm going to do is just chisel this off flat. And I'm nervous enough about that that I'm not going to do it on camera. Couldn't find my chisel. So I'm trying to be brave and just do this with my multi-tool knife. So far so good. That's why the tape's there. Alright, so what we've got is the dowel in the hole, and unfortunately it didn't quite fill the full hole. Let's straighten that out and try again. We've got the dowel in the hole, and unfortunately I didn't quite fill the full hole there. And what I'm going to do is just even off the top. And to prep it for the screw, well, this screw's got a oops, I'm off camera again. So this screw's got a little pointy end, so that makes it easy to center it. And I'm going to drill a new hole. So this screw is the same size as the post minus the threads. So just the threads should be grabbing when that's in there. I almost forgot to mark the depth. So, same as I did before, I'm going to put that elastic band on there so I don't drill deeper than I need to. So much for getting a grip with this piece of bamboo. There it is, all fixed up. And now that the swivel post is in place, you can't even really see my patch job, which is good because it wasn't super, but it's functional. Now, if you want to see a real craftsman do this repair, then look at the link in the description below at a really great video that I watched previous to doing this myself. Thanks for watching, guys.